Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Gold's Gym 10-pound pair ankle weights. Yeah, now these are ankle weights here. What these are used for, and what I use them for, is when you exercise, a lot of times when you're running or walking or anything, I mean, just that alone is good exercise. But if you want to get that extra amount of resistance and, you know, harshness, so it's a little harder to do and get that extra exercise in, you're going to use ankle weights when you do those things. Now, what you can do is you can use these just for walking or running on a treadmill or on the street. But you could also use these if you're doing any kind of aerobic exercises, any kind of dance moves. You can, if you're practicing basketball or karate or anything like that. This will give you that extra resistance that you need when you're exercising. And the Gold's gym strap-on ankle weights are really good. Now, I've had these for at least 4 years now, and I use them a lot. I actually use them every week. See, they're kind of old, but they don't look it. I mean, and they are in really good shape. This material here is looks like it's kind of like it looks kind of woven, but it breathes. There's holes in here, and inside this material is a bag, and inside that bag is material that has sand inside, and you can feel it in there. Yeah, it's nice, and it moves around in there. So each one of these has a bag inside with the sandy material in there. Yeah, this Velcro is really good. What you do is this whole thing wraps around your leg, right? This whole thing will wrap around your leg. You wrap this whole thing around your leg like this, and then you strap it on all the way around, and then with the Velcro go all the way around, and you strap it on and hold them tight against your ankle on both sides. Yeah, and it works really well. It does, and it gives you that extra resistance that you need to do anything and everything you want to do as far as working your legs. When you take them off, after it's all over, you feel like you can fly. You feel so light, especially like if you wear them like all day, or like say like maybe just a few hours. Just walk around in them, and you will forget you have them on, and just keep walking throughout the day, and then you take them off. You feel like you're like maybe like an inch above ground all the time because you feel so light. Yeah, but these work really well, and they're really well made, and I've put these things through a beating actually, because I don't just use them for walking or running. I actually use them for doing aerobic activity and judo and stuff like that, and like practicing kicks and things, so it's giving me that resistance, and it's kind of taking a beating, but it holds up. It's really made very well. It doesn't have any problem as far as staying all together and strong. It really is a well-made material. This will give you that exercise that you're looking for as far as resistance, making things heavier, like your legs. It's really good. I recommend this kind of workout. Running and walking is, you know, just not enough, and you want to get that extra, just that extraness, and without actually feeling like you have like a backpack on your back or anything like where you're carrying weights or anything. With this wrapped around your legs, it, like, you get used to it over time. You know, like I'm talking about in a few minutes, you will feel like, I mean, you'll forget you have them on and your body will adjust and you'll just be walking and, you know, you're getting that extra workout. And then you can advance to running, and it is really good. Yeah, I like this a lot. Okay, I hope you guys use this information. Gold's Gym 10-pound pair ankle weights. Okay, hope you guys use this. I'll talk to you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.